Okay, I found it. You tossed it into the grass. Do you want it back? Yes, I went in and got my camera. Sorry. Go, Mr. B! You gonna throw it down here again? Yeah, you are. What am I gonna do with you? Good throw. Whoa, you're amazing. Oh, excellent. That one had some real height on it. I'm gonna throw it over here. Okay, it's going over there. You got it. Yay, good job. Oh, oh, so close. There you go. Excellent work. You want it back? Are you done with the game? Yeah? Okay, I'll just put it right there for later. You don't have to play with it now. It's there if you want it later. What is it? Do you see something I don't? What do you see? I'm looking around, I see nothing. Is it the ground squirrel? They are everywhere. Good throw. Nicely done. Good throw. That one went really far. Yay, keeping it on the porch. Good boy. Nice one. That one went like 4 feet. Holy smokes. Oh, you brute. That's a good one. Oh, that's my boy. Well, mellow time now.